Ruger No. 1 Centerfire Rifles. Ruger No. 1 Centerfire Rifles. Remington Model 870 Expressor Super Mag Pump Action Shotgun. Remington Model 870 Expressor Super Mag Pump Action Shotgun. Springfield Armory a Tanker Semi-Auto Rifle. Springfield Armory a Tanker Semi-Auto Rifle. Taurus Raging Judge Revolver. Taurus Raging Judge Revolver. Ruger Precision Gen 3 Bolt Action Rifle. Ruger Precision Gen 3 Bolt Action Rifle. Fiercer Edge Long Range Bolt Action Rifle. Fiercer Edge Long Range Bolt Action Rifle. Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon I Sporting Over/Under Shotgun. Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon I Sporting Over/Under Shotgun. HK Semiautomatic Centerfire Pistols. HK Semiautomatic Centerfire Pistols.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.